What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today I'm going to do a little walk around on a 1966 Mustang Convertible. This one here does have AC and inline 6 up under the hood. We're going to be going over any issues that I can find, that I see, if it's got rust, if it's got scratches, and we're going to give you some undercarriage shots. We're going to check out the interior, the trunk, go over the whole car. And after this video, I'm going to do a test drive video, and I'll link the two videos together. That way it's easy to find. So you can just wait till the last 30 seconds to see this thing going down the road. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. Financing and shipping is available at our car lot, so definitely check out our website. All right, guys, we're going to get started here. Up in the front, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day. Looks like a fairly straight car with a new front bumper that's on it. The grille is in great shape. Everything's nice and slick. Looks like they may have painted the door. A little bit of a shade off here. And it's hanging at the bottom. We got it locked. Have to unlock it. And we've got it. Shipper guy over there asking me. Yeah, see, there's a guy out here picking up cars right now. Well, paint's a little bit weak behind the front bumper there. We're gonna go along the bottom side and look for any flaws, like this little chip here. Coming down this side, a little rust spot in the corner of that door. There's a scratch in the middle of the door. Got some small bubbles popping up around the fender well in the back here. Coming on back. Now we're going to head down the midsection and check it out. Got a scratch right below the door handle. The door handle is new. Got some small little dings in the trim right there below the windshield wiper. Mirrors are new as well. The vent window's nice and clean, all the trim around it. Except up in this corner, it's got some little oxidation trying to pop up. The top on this one is nice, clean, smooth looking. We're gonna be taking it down before the test drive video. Light scratches on the trim here. And a little scratch there. We'll lay this down and check it all out once we get the trunk done. Somebody's already redone the bumper on the back. I just put a magnet tag on there for the time being. Got a few little scratches here below the gas cap. Let's check out this trunk. Got a nice cover for the top to match the interior. The interior is red on this car. A few little scratches around the trunk. Weather stripping's in good shape. Looking up under here, we do have some moisture. Water has been getting in this trunk, so it is leaking water. They glued this carpet down, so I was trying to look up under here. It looks pretty solid. I'm not going to tear the whole trunk up, just because I have to move everything out of the way, but it looks fairly solid from what I can tell. And there's no water sitting up in this part. It just got down under there, probably from the back window where the top is, and dripped down underneath the mat. I guess we'll go ahead and take this out and set her over here out of the way. That way I can put it on once I drop the top. There's that little crack that was there coming along the back of the car here. You got some more oxidation on some of your trim. All right. We've made it all the way around the car, guys. We're gonna go ahead and jump on the interior, get it started up, check it all out, and see what all works on the electronics. Door opens nice. The interior is very clean, inside and out. Weather stripping looks good around the door. Checking the bottom of the door here. Doesn't look too bad. The trim's in good shape. You got some few little spots popping up here and some chips in the paint that have been touched up. The wrong color white. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works on this? Okay. Looks like we're getting some water down on the floorboard here. Definitely. So the top is leaking on the interior on both sides of the car here. Gonna need to put this one inside. Bring her back to the shop and vacuum her out. Dash is in pretty good shape. I mean, this car looks great on the inside. The top bit older from the inside. The outside you couldn't hardly tell. It looked all right. It's got a few little spots. Let's go ahead and try some stuff. Of course, that'll cut your AC on. Wait, is this vintage air? This may be vintage air. If it is, it's gonna be up in there. Sweet. The AC, there's a button there. Okay, there was one thing that I noticed on the car. I need a switch for my AC. That may be the switch. So we're gonna try something here in a moment. And I'll show you what I did. The radio, cut on. It looks fairly new. It's even got plastic on it. It just may not be hooked up right. Wipers, working. Our top is on a switch here. We're gonna go ahead and try it out. Let me cut the AC down. All my gauges should be pretty accurate. This one's cold still. I haven't had it running very long. Showing 6,121 miles. Gas gauge is full and the oil is about halfway. So let's drop the top, pull the hinge on both sides. I'll set y'all right here. There's a switch right up under the dash. Yep, I was going the wrong way, guys. Don't want to do that too long because this thing looks pretty new. Look how fast that top went down. All right, we got the top down. So we know the AC controls are in here, and that's on. I want to see something. So I unplugged it right here because every time it engages, it instantly cuts on. So what I want to do is see if it cuts it off. By cutting it off. If not, it's going to need to be on a toggle switch. And it does. Good. Okay, so now it's hooked up. You have to push that button, it cuts the compressor on. We're going to hook that back up here shortly. When I have two hands, I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the car. Motor's nice and smooth. Go ahead and roll our windows down, give you a good look at what it looks like. These are smooth. Somebody's already greased up all the fittings inside the doors. Got them tracks greased up good where they come down nice and smooth, effortlessly. Having a hard time talking today, I believe. This car looks awesome on the inside. Go ahead and try that horn. It works. Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna shut this hood down, let you see what it looks like, and then we're gonna get you some undercarriage shots. Then I'm gonna hit the road. Check out detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. I got about 100 of them on each car. But we're gonna get you some undercarriage shots right now. Let's do it. All right, I appreciate y'all watching. Check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and all the cars and inventory. We update that every Monday. If you want to see the test drive video, wait to the last 30 seconds of this one. It'll pop right up, or just type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. I do appreciate y'all watching. I'm gonna go ahead and thank you for sharing this channel, telling your friends about it. I hear from them. I definitely do. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and get on with this test drive. Y'all have a good one.